All right, guys, we got another TMG 250 rolling out shop today. This one going on man Matt. He has got it set up on a single axle trailer package. Guys, we build all of our trailers in-house, powder coated finish, all LED lighting. We build them strong, double frame rail the whole way, stout trailer, a lot of storage on this rig. We'll start off with a smoker. So we've got our 250-gallon tank here. Now this is our standard patina finish. So we take the natural patina on the tank, do all our metal work, 3 coats of high gloss clear on top, locks in that look. Lift her up here. So on a 250, you get 2 sliding top racks. You got 3 bottom trays that are removable, 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. Fold and stack is standard on every tank smoker we build. Guys, on our trailer package, we do fabricated 1/8-inch steel fenders, none of that flimsy Chinese crap. Open up the door to the firebox here, fully insulated firebox on every tank smoker, 3/8 thick pipe on the inside, not gonna burn out on you. Insulated door as well, holds heat great. On the back side of this deal, Matt added a stainless steel prep top. So that folds up. Got your storage underneath, lock it back down, prep off of it, you're ready to go. Also got a spare tire up front there on the tongue. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit belt, you know to call TMG Fits, Knoxville, Tennessee.